It's tempting to wax philosophical about the lightweight waxed cotton jacket. With a classic, timeless design, it provides an all-natural alternative to synthetic weather protection that'll keep you sheltered from the elements. This hooded, all-weather jacket uses a durable, breathable, organic cotton ripstop outer fabric that's built to last. The liner is made from a blend of organic cotton and hemp that's soft against the skin and glides over layers. We weatherize the outer layer by applying Hallie Stevenson's Everwax Olive, a plant-based wax derived from food industry waste. The wax adjusts to ambient temperature, becoming softer and more breathable in warm weather and stiffer and more windproof in cold conditions. The center front zipper closure with zip-through collar keeps warmth in and cold out. Two bellowed hand pockets have covered plackets that secure with snap closures. Stash your valuables in the internal zippered chest pocket so they don't end up overboard. Follow the simple care directions, re-wax when needed, and the lightweight waxed cotton jacket will be the living garment that carries you through thick and thin and tells the story of your examined life.